So I was just gaming, streaming a little bit. If y'all not following me on Twitch, make sure y'all follow me when I be live. I be live on Twitch. You never know what's happening. Most of the time I'm playing a game. But I just had to answer the door. We got some stuff in the mail. Got some WeatherTech. Got some W's in the chat. Got some W's in the chat. Got some WeatherTech. So we're gonna get this installed real quick. Open this garage up, get this stuff installed. It is chilly out today, but we're gonna try to get this done. Working on the back of the Mustang. I got a few things in the mail today, but the first thing we're gonna do is put on this right here. Well, it's not really put on, but put back inside the truck. I don't know if you guys use Apple AirTags for tracking your vehicles or items or such, but this is my first time using it. And I heard that the battery stays on for at least about a year, which is not bad, but if I'm keeping it in the car and I wanna hide it, I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna try that out. It's supposed to keep it good for 10 years. 10-year battery on the AirTag, so try that out. I'm gonna quickly put this all together. I'm not gonna show you where I'm putting it at in my truck, but put it wherever. So you just twist the back off and that's what it'll look like. And so you'll sit this right on top of there, screw those on, and you should be set. And this is it, all closed up. And just hide it in your truck, should be good to go. That one box had the front and the rear. We're gonna get this in real quick. Anticlimactic. It's not too much of a big thing, but we're gonna see how it fit. This looks way better. Fits it real good. So here go the rear. Fits pretty good on this side. Nice and form. But I guess it gotta heat up a little bit on that side. Actually, I'm gonna go over there and check that out. Gotta get some heat to it on this side. A little bit. Get that to lay down. So the door is helping it lay down a little bit under here. So nobody's gonna be back here, so hopefully over time, it was just sitting in a box. Super cold out today. But over time, a little heat, but it's pretty good back here. Then you have the passenger. Not too bad, not too bad. End up getting them on, full weather checked out. Gives it that different look I needed. Gotta have them rain guards. I had one more thing to install, but I'm gonna wait until tomorrow. I'm about to get me something to eat, get back on this game. It's cold out there. So if you like to talk shit, if you like the game, you like to chill, relax, vibe, follow me on Twitch, same name, let's get it. Built up a PC. Sorry, basic, nothing real, nothing special, you feel me? It's just a little regular PC with the Secrets Lab Batman desk, you feel me? I be doing a little something. Just check me out, man. If you into this type of thing, but if you not, do not follow, cause I be talking shit. So if you can't handle the jokes, get out of the kitchen. 2 for $1. Oh my God. I remember when this used to be 4 for $1. Oh man, if I ain't still had this antenna, boy, I would have fucked my truck up. Could not get up this parking garage if I wanted to. See, I was just playing the game again. I'm playing random squads. I'm down right now. Got the limited edition Oreos, but guess what came in the mail, man? Guess what came in the mail? Uh-oh. Yeah, that's right. That's right.